Today, we will come up with the 14 best Pokemon Go spoofers for both Android and iOS devices. Now, just check out this video for details. Part 1 to 7 Best Spoofing Apps for Pokemon Go on Android. 1. Phone Anyto Android iOS. Dubbed as one of the safest and the best Pokemon Go spoofer for its simulating GPS, customizing speed or route, pausing anytime, setting coordinates, historical records, etc. 2. Fake GPS Location. Fake GPS location can easily change your Pokemon Go account region, though it has been updated back in 2018. It could be one of the best free Pokemon Go spoofing Android apps. 3. Fake GPS. Besides teleporting your fake Android location miles away from where you are, fake GPS can be tweaked to increase or decrease accuracy, altitude, and update interval. 4. P-Sharp. As one of the best apps for spoofing on Pokemon Go, P-Sharp offers many features to keep you from getting caught by the game company. Moreover, it doesn't require you to root your device or install any other apps to support it. 5. Fake GPS 360. Developed to fake your current GPS location and show an entirely different and fake one around the globe. Fake GPS 360, among the top 5 best spoofers for Pokemon Go, can elegantly override your real proximity so that you can play your friends on any social network. 6. Fake GPS Run. Being the best GPS spoofing app for Pokemon Go Android, Fake GPS Run Fake GPS Joystick Run teleports your phone to any place in the globe with 2 clicks. This app sets up a fake GPS location, so other apps in your phone mistakenly believe you are there. 7. Vnya. Vnya Fake GPS Location is amongst the top spoofing apps for Pokemon Go, kidding about your Android phone location and teleport to any place on Earth. You can then prank your friends on the social network. Part 2 to 7 Best Pokemon Go Spoofers on iPhone. 1. iOS Roaming Guide. Some Apple users may have heard of Tweakzilla Pokemon Go spoofer, yet this app doesn't work well with iOS devices currently. Apart from Anyto mentioned in Part 1, iOS Roaming Guide deserves to be at the top of your list. 2. iSpoofer for Pogo. A magical iOS location changer like iSpoofer for Pogo can manipulate your presence in a particular place, and the same will be displayed on the GPS location too, not only for gaming but for privacy reasons. This fake GPS app for Pokemon Go delivers flexible GPS control. 3. eTools by Thinkski. eTools by Thinkski is a good spoofing app for Pokemon Go on iPhone. The fake GPS feature of it is pretty practical and works globally. The dropped location can be retained after your iPhone is disconnected from the system. 4. Localizator. Localizator is trying to catch up with the best mock GPS app for Pokemon Go, allowing you to fake GPS in the background. It is a multi-function app. You can use it to locate your phone and create smart alerts. 5. Location Faker. Designed for simulating your GPS coordinates without the need for real GPS signals, Location Faker is a well-received Pokemon Go spoofer for iOS. You can utilize it to mask your location by searching for a specific location, or just by long pressing anywhere on the map. 6. Pokégo Plus Plus. Pokégo Plus Plus refers to the best Pokemon Go spoof app for iOS. It offers you joystick operation for easy movement. It's able to enhance the speed of your avatar up to 8 times. It only impacts your location in the game after you enable teleportation in it. 7. Change My GPS Location. Change My GPS Location is one of the best spoofing Pokemon Go apps that still work for mainstream iOS devices. As its name implies, it enables its users to change GPS location to anywhere in the world and send a fake location to friends on WhatsApp or Facebook.